Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to combine three Word documents together. Okay, you can see there is the three Word documents. I want to combine those documents together. Okay, let's open the Microsoft Word. Okay, I have Word 2060. You can use other version for that. Any versions you can apply this. Okay, this is my blank Word documents. Then I go to insert. Then you can see object button here. Click on object. Then you can click on text from file. Text from file. Okay. Okay, now I'm set the find the files. Okay, combine together. This is the folders. Okay friends, I want to combine these three file together. So I can select this one, or you can use the control button and cursor to select these three file and click on insert. Okay, you can see these three file inserts. So you can see this. So if you want to separate page wise, you can use page break. So I want to take section 2 into new page. Go here and click on insert page break. Okay, let's go to the insert page break. Okay, go here, page break. Okay friends, now you can see your three sections in individual documents. So I can use the think this tips will be very useful for you. So if you have any question regarding this, please comment below. Thanks for watching.